Hi guys, so we're gonna do this long, I don't know how many inches braid because we're quarantining, we're running out of hair, but I had this under my bed, so this is what I have. If you guys want to see how I did this braid, stay tuned. So this hair, I just maybe washed it today. It's about 20 minutes old, and I'm just gonna take my Eco gel. I use the gel with the black top on it. I know I told you guys I was gonna use a different gel. That's the one I use now. And I'm just gonna use my toothbrush and my brush to brush down my hair. Just slightly wet hair. That's just a regular normal beauty supply store brush. And of course, I don't like gel on my hands. Y'all know. So we're just gonna take the gel and the brush and smooth down the back that tends to be a little thicker when I try to do ponytails. And I'm just using my hands to smooth that out and make sure I get the kitchen since we can't be lazy this time. We gotta make sure that the perimeter of our hair is put together. I'm just gonna take 2 ponytail holders and tie my hair up into a little ponytail in the back. Still using the gel to smooth that out in my hands to make sure there are no streaks. And I wear glasses, so around my ears it tends to be different than the rest of my hair. So I make sure I take extra time to make sure that those hairs are just laid down. And we're going to use Got To Be to do the front of our hair and to make sure that the back of our hair is going to be slicked down, since my hair was still kind of wet when I tried to do this quick hairstyle. And this is how smooth it looks from the back. Still looks natural, but that's okay because of the hair. So we're gonna use our handy toothbrush and the black Got To Be and Eco, just to do the just to do my edges. And I'm just using a little bit. And of course, like always, make sure you guys just follow your own hairline and don't really try to follow mine, or I just promise you it won't look like this. So just take your time and just figure out what kind of hairline you have and how you want to do it. Just use this as a reference. And I make sure I get my sideburns. Now we're gonna take this ponytail and twist it into a little bun. And I used rubber, one of those really horrible rubber bands. Actually, you guys shouldn't use that. Rubber bands to secure it. And this is beauty supply store hair. It was maybe $5. It came with 4 different like packs in there, which is a lot of hair for $4. And it was really soft hair, kinky hair, stretched hair. It was really nice, actually. I even brushed this out after we used this hair. And then I just did this loop thing, and now we're going to braid. I hope you guys know how to braid, because I can't be the one to teach you. I'm sorry. And I didn't have nothing to put the braid on, so I'm just using my teeth and as a base to hold it and just braiding down. And as I go, just picking out pieces that I want to curl later on. So y'all, I didn't have no rollers, but I use a concealer and I just twisted it around. This is my hot water. And I wanted to show you guys on camera, but the water was too hot. But this is how the curl came out, which is okay. It didn't last that long, and maybe I should get rollers now that I know. But if you guys want something quick and, of course, lazy to do, just use a concealer, dip it in there, it doesn't melt, and you'll get an okay curl. It's better than no curl, I guess. We're just gonna take the top of that ponytail and twist that 2 times around the base of our ponytail. I wish I would have turned around and show you guys. I am sorry. And then our ponytail just slips right into one of the little parts of the braid, and this is how it looks. I'm just taking some bobby pins to make sure the parts of the braid, make sure they stay covered by my bun stays covered by the braid. That's why I just use like 2 bobby pins for that, and I'm just making sure that they don't show. I'm just spreading out the braid, and this is how it looks. Cute little $2 hairstyle. And I used you can take this out the same day and re-put it in the next day, and it's just great. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.